Mario is not human, but instead a fairy changeling.
Author Alexander Aaron has offered up a pretty far-out theory about Mario. He's not human at all, but a fairy changeling who fits himself into the role of the hero as a reaction to his surroundings, the Mushroom Kingdom. In order to deal with his loneliness, he's not from the land of mushrooms either. This displaced fairy doesn't know how to interact with other creatures, which is why he assumes Donkey Kong is an enemy and cages him in the original game. Fairy changeling Mario feels caged in this world he doesn't understand, so the only way he knows to interact with Donkey Kong is to cage him. Super Mario Odyssey's nostalgic new Donk City is just a facsimile of Mario's Donkey Kong adventure that allows the fairy to cope with his prison. It's a tough life for a fairy.
The game is actually a film noir.
According to the Storied podcast, Super Mario Odyssey works best narratively when reimagined as a film noir. The nostalgic vibe of New Donk City already has the look. Add a great color filter and you've got the makings of a great film noir starring Mario and his partner, Cappy. Even the game's storyline fits in well with established noir tropes, such as Mario's search for a dame who's been kidnapped and forced to marry an evil dude.
New Donk City is actually a dystopia devoid of children.
Ever wonder why you never see children walking around in New Donk City? US Gamer has a theory that turns the city into a horrifying dystopia. According to the theory, Mayor Paulin has made it so all of the children born in New Donk City are incubated and turned into gray suit-wearing drones that live their lives as she pleases. From home to work, from work to home, with the occasional musical number in between. It's all one big childless illusion.
Mario is actually his own hat.
One theory suggests that Mario and Cappy are the same being. It's loony, but there are a few hints that this one might be true. For one thing, how come Mario loses his physical form when he tosses his hat to possess things in the game? If Mario and Cappy are shown to be separate entities, shouldn't the hero keep his own body when possessing things? The theory posits that the Mario we meet in this game isn't Mario at all but a sentient power-up, took the character's form as a vessel for its grand adventure. Basically, this theory would answer the question, where do Mario power-ups go after they are discarded? Super Mario Odyssey is a prequel to Donkey Kong.
Mario has been dead the whole time.
Mario has been dead the whole time.
Mario, Bowser, and Peach are in a dom/sub polyamorous relationship.
Mario, Bowser, and Peach are in a dom/sub polyamorous relationship.
Peach actually left Mario for Bowser.
Peach actually left Mario for Bowser.
Mario's Cappy abilities are actually demonic.
Twitter is a little worried about Mario's ability to control anything or anyone he wants with a magical red cap. In fact, some fans theorize that this ability is actually demonic, which raises many ethical questions about Mario. Should he be able to control people and creatures against their will? And can the possessed remember what they did while under Mario's control? It gets pretty creepy when you think about it.
New Donk City is Mario's hometown.
New Donk City is Mario's hometown.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.